Did the doggy bite your wrist?
Oh, yeah, yeah, Oreos.
Oh.
No, please.
I don't know why it's like really close up too. I guess. Oh, there's the princess and the other princess. And boy dog.
Alright, I gotta go get something.
You're lying.
I'm serious, I gotta go get his tank top. So what I'm gonna do. Phil! Come on. Roger.
I don't know how. I'm standing
Yes,
up.
you do.
If I'm seated, she can sit on my
Just
lap.
hold her head. Oh my god, be careful.
Just don't drop her.
There's no wrong way to, right or wrong way to hold a baby. Just don't drop her.
Yeah, there is.
I mean, don't hang her by her feet. Dad, here, go give Morgan a kiss. Give her a kiss. Oh, thank you. Thank you. You want to see in the camera? Look. You see her in the, oh, touch her to his nose. See her in the camera? That's neat, huh? You're gonna be on the camera too. We'll watch it on TV tonight, okay? Okay.